Celestial Cuisine Restaurant. Do you have a reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I have.
Okay, ma'am. Let me assist you to your table. This way, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm China, your food attendant. It's my pleasure to serve you, ma'am. Would you like to try first our summer refreshment, ma'am?
Sure, what do you have?
Okay, ma'am. We have our bestseller lemonade juice, followed by pineapple juice, apple juice, and orange juice.
Okay, I would like to try your lemonade juice.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Here's your lemonade juice. Okay, ma'am. May I present to you our menu for your selection?
Yes, please. Wait, can you recommend your restaurant?
Of course, ma'am. But may I have asked first, do you have any food allergies?
No, I don't have.
Okay, ma'am. Can you wait for a while your food being served in 10 minutes?
Okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
Okay, ma'am. Here's your order. Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Can you just wait for a while? I will serve your panna cotta dessert.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Here's your panna cotta dessert.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Are you done?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. May I present to you your bill?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for dining us. Come again.